everyone, thanks for joining me on another episode. Today I'm doing wraps, and this only uses 5 ingredients. I want it to stick to simple but tasty, and that way if you're in a pinch or you don't feel like cooking, it's a great snack to make or a quick meal to do. It only uses 5 ingredients, so if you want to see what I do for my wraps, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here are my 5 ingredients. So I'm using a whole grain tortilla. I'm going to be using some chicken strips. I have some shredded cheese. I have some fresh spinach. And then these 2 sauces here. And of course, sauce is all preference, whatever you like to put on your wrap. I'm using this brand here. I got from Costco, and it's a jalapeno lime aioli. It is so good, guys. And then I'm using this just from my local grocery store, and it's a creamy Caesar dressing. Of course, I'm starting with my whole grain tortilla, and I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle on some cheese. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce. And again, I'm using the jalapeno lime aioli. And I'm just going to go ahead and add this to our wrap. Then I'm going to follow it in with our creamy Caesar. And now this has just pretty much made a base for the chicken to sit on. So I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken strip, like so. One more like that. And guys, we're almost done. That's all it took. Now, this is the fun part. I like to add in my greens, and I feel like with the sauce, it's a good way. If you're not a fan of your veggies, with the sauce added in, it kind of masks the flavor a little bit of your spinach. So here's where I like to load it all in, because I get my greens in, it tastes great, why not? All right, guys, we are done. That's all it took. So now, we're gonna go ahead and roll it. This can be the tricky part. I'm not an expert, bear with me. I'll tuck this first part in here. Then I'm just going to sort of wrap it in together. All right, not too bad. And of course, you got the sauce, the cheese, the chicken, the spinach. At this point, you just have to take a bite. Hey guys, thanks for joining me in creating this quick wrap, snack, meal, substitute, whatever you want to call it. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, to give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment suggesting any new tips, ideas, something you want to see. And I'll catch you next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye!